What are some of the stocks that I'm looking out there to invest in 2023? Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. We're looking today at specific stocks that I'm looking at in the next several weeks, days, to be able to make an investment on. Now, why am I looking at these specifically? There are certain reasons that I'm looking at. Number one is the holidays are upon us, which means people will go out there, even if you tell them not to. People will go out there and shop till they drop. That's one. Two, people are going to travel. That's number two. Very important, shopping and travel. People will purchase their summer vacations, their holiday vacations, their family weekend getaways, and so on. And this is why I'm looking at these specific stocks, because I believe this is where the money will be in reference to investing. Now, this is Delta Airlines. Right now it's at 34. We saw a low of 27. Will it go back down? I wish it did, but so that I could pick up some more. But I don't have any Delta right now. I don't have it in my portfolio, but this is a good one to invest in because I know that Delta is like the pioneer of airlines right now in the US. It's the number one airline. Although they have their negativities, they also have their positive side as well. You can see their highs in the last year was 46. It's at 34, so it's halfway move, 7 from the bottom and about 12 from the top. And this one eventually will post higher highs eventually, but just be careful because we have an impending recession or stock market drop that could drop 20 to 30%. And that's what I'm looking to. If this drops 20 to 30%, I'm going to jump in there. That guess what? That number will bring me back down to the 27 to 30 range, which is a good time to pick this up. And the same thing for a lot of the other ones. The Spirit Airlines, which is in the process of merging with JetBlue, they've gone up a little bit and they're consolidated in the last day. And I would follow these airline stocks because this is where the money's at. JetBlue is way down, very good price. Will it go down some more? As I said, watch the news, be aware of what's going on so that you're able to make the best decisions for you with your financial advisor. American Airlines is at 47 right now. It is, it's way down, half below its high in the past year when it hit in March 24th of $98 or so, and it hasn't hit that. But I believe this one will be a good one as well for longer term investment, but not right now. Apple, I'm expecting to post lower numbers on this one, especially since they halted one of their plants from producing iPhone 14. Now, Ford is a good company, and people are purchasing cars, even though cars are going to be given back to the companies in the next several weeks. They're being repoed, and the repo guys don't know what to do with these cars. Guess what? They're going to be used cars. Sales are going to drop. They're going to be so many cars out there that they don't know what to do. So they're going to give them away for free compared to the prices that are out there right now. This is Amazon, and Amazon is a great company to invest in. You can see it's on a downtrend since its highs back in November 18 of last year. And now you can see it's just downtrending all the way down. It did pick up here, and we've had some sort of a W in here, or inverted cup. Some people will say that, and it's gone down, kept going down. Will it go down some more? If it goes down to $60, I'm picking up Amazon. Amazon is a great buy for long-term investors. I'm not a long-term investor, but for a specific goal, yes, I'll pick it up. Macy's is at 22. I've been following it since it was around 17, hoping it was going to go down to 14 or 15. I should have picked it up then. I regret not doing that. It's up over 30% since I've been watching it in the last several weeks. At the beginning of October, I believe. This is a good one to watch, and it's going to go above 30s, but I'm going to wait until see what happens with the markets before I pick this one up as well. Target, another good one. It's right now it's at 164. It was 2 days ago at 148. It's gone up a bit. Let's see what's happened in the last year on Target. Here we go. Target, the high was 256, so it's way off its highs. Will it go down a bit more? You bet it's going to go down to at least that 130-ish level again, if not lower. Let's see what else is here. Walmart is at 149 right now. In the last year, you can see it had a high of 160. So this one's pretty much regained its power from last year. This was at the beginning of this year, actually, in April. In April, the 22 is when it hit its highs. And Why is Walmart gaining? Because there's a lot of news saying that people who make 100 plus are starting to shop at Walmart for the prices, for the better prices that are out there. Be aware of that. eBay is another place that people go and shop. It's at 45 right now. Let's see how it has been in the last year. Let me just zoom this out. Oh, that's it then. So it was at a 55 and it's had a low of 35. So it's somewhere in between. In between. This is another place where people go and get economical shopping, and eBay has, I would just watch it and see where it goes before anything happens. But you can see it had a sort of a wedge in here, or a W, inverted W, and this just shows signs that of an upward trend, and it did go up. Normally, sometimes these are wrong. These W's are wrong, and it's good for you to make your own due diligence with your financial professional. Believe this is it on these. This is Wayfair, another place people going to buy furniture. It's at 33 right now. In the last year, what was its highs? It was at 298. Wow, last year, November 24th of last year, it's at 33. This is a good buy for long term. I'd say at 33, it's a very good buy. This is probably the better one on the go right now. I don't know why it's down. I'd have to do some more reading, but this is a big loser right now. And it's, as some people would go, this is a dead crow. It's just straight downward. But this is a long-term buy. It might go back down to the 28-ish level. It depends on the numbers as it gets ready to release that in the next quarter, whenever that happens. Norwegian Cruise Lines is also, it's at 16. I believe its highs is somewhere in the 30 range. Is that right or wrong? No, nope. Actually, it's close to its highs right now. Norwegian Cruise Lines is one of those traveling companies for cruises, and people start to shop now for their cruises in the summer. So get ready for that one. I thought I had another one in here. Carnival. Here we go. $9 a share right now. In the last year, Carnival has gone way down. It's a good buy. People are going to start purchasing some of these. It might go down a little bit. This is a good one to hold on to, at least through May or April or May on average, or whenever you get your goal, because some people's the goals will fluctuate depending on the purchase. Let's see, you might have one more, and that's it. So this is it. If you're looking to double your bank account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account? Look at the charts, look at these stocks, make some decisions that'll work according to your advice expert. Take care.